Hello guys, today we are showing you the steps of how to set up scanner on Canon printer. Please follow the on-screen instructions.
To set up a scanner in a non-printer device, you will need a standalone scanner that is not integrated with a printer. Here are the general steps to set up a scanner. 1. Unbox the scanner. Remove the scanner from its packaging and ensure that all the necessary components are included. 2. Connect the scanner. Depending on the type of scanner, you may need to connect it to your computer using a USB cable or through a wireless connection. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific model you have. 3. Install scanner software. Most scanners come with software that needs to be installed on your computer. Insert the installation CD or download the software from the manufacturer's website. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. 4. Configure scanner settings. Once the software is installed, open it and configure the scanner settings according to your preferences. This may include selecting the scanning resolution, file format, destination folder, and other options. 5. Test the scanner. Place a document or photo on the scanner bed and initiate a scan using the software or the scanner's control panel. Verify that the scanned image is saved correctly and meets your expectations. 6. Adjust settings if necessary. If the scanned image quality or other settings are not satisfactory, you can adjust them through the scanner software or the control panel. Remember to consult the user manual or online documentation provided by the scanner manufacturer for detailed instructions specific to your scanner model.